Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Several of the past videos looks like I have a smudge under my eye. I don't. It's just like the concealer and foundation does not want to stick there, so it's always showing through. It's really annoying, but I'm almost done with the concealer and foundation that I'm using up, so hopefully soon it will no longer be showing. All right, today I have my FabFitFun. This is the summer FabFitFun. It took almost a month to get here. I was really surprised at how long it actually took to get here. And it seems a little smaller than it has in the past, which makes me a little sad because I don't think the one thing that I was hoping to get is in here, which was one of the choices that you could have. But we'll see. So this is the little magazine they always have. This has Gabby Douglas on the cover. That looks really weird for some reason. And inside it will tell you everything that you could possibly get and the retail prices. So we'll pull that open. And then we also, they always throw in these things. I never take advantage of those offers. And I will tell you my tissue paper is ripped as well. I don't want to try to show it because I'm afraid I'm going to drop things out of it. All right, we'll grab the first thing here on top. These are Tom's sunglasses. This was something that I chose. So this is what they look like. They're just pretty standard sunglasses. They do say Tom's on the side. And they do make everything look very green. You can see my lights in them. But they do have like a very heavy, they're very dark. And then they do say give sight. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it does say give sight here on the top. I dropped the card that came with them and it just has like information on it. These retail for $58 and the other choices I could have gotten were a peel-off mask and under-eye masks, which I didn't want. I already have the Draper spray. I already have the Kate Somerville lotion or moisturizer. The sunscreen wasn't interested in it because I have a lot of sunscreens already. There's a key necklace and then, oh, there's two different sunscreens. Oh, that's interesting. Anyway, that's what I chose. This next thing is something I also chose. These are the R+Co Shampoo and Conditioner. These are the Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. And I chose these. I was really excited that they were still available. I was like on as soon as it opened because I really wanted to make sure I got these. I got these last year in my box. I haven't used them. They're my next shampoo and conditioner to use once I've been using up old stuff. Anyway, those retail for $64. That stuff is so expensive and that's why I wanted to really make sure that I got it because those are technically more than this whole box was. So were the sunglasses actually. And the other things you could have gotten were a Michael Kors passport wallet, which that's not really something I would use. They had this cute little cooler bag, but that's not something I would go for either. This Isaac Mizrahi kimono, that's okay. And then there's a face oil, which I have so many face oils that I'm trying to use up. Didn't need that. All right, the next thing I grabbed is from Winky Luxe. This is an eyebrow pencil. So I don't do brows because this is my natural brows. I mean, I could probably fill them in a little bit, but I don't, it's too much work. So that's going to go in my pass along pile for someone else. That retails for $16. And it looks like there's a whole bunch of different things that you could get from FabFitFun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's like 7 choices there. I think I get more than one thing from that. This one, it's falling out of the package. This is a beach mist. This is a botanical after sun spray by the Lifestyle Company in Los Angeles. That's what it looks like. And let's see. This was, okay, so this is what I got instead of what I was hoping to get. You could have gotten this, you could have gotten a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum, which would have been nice. They had an Amika blowout spray, which I don't blow out, so I don't do my hair that way. Or you could have gotten this, which is reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe mint and lavender mixture. Retails for $42, but this is what I was hoping to get and I didn't get it. And I probably should have sprung for yearly so that I could have gotten it. But it's this cute little Isaac Mizrahi vase, and I just really love, that's like my favorite color is pink, and I love Isaac Mizrahi. So we're gonna smell this before I decide if I'm gonna keep this. Okay, so this I kind of am interested in, but when I smelled it, it does have like a lavender smell, and that gives me headaches, and I'm already developing a headache from it. And then looking at it, it also has peppermint oil, which I know I have reactions to. It does make my mouth, like usually my peppermint is on my lipstick or in my toothpaste, and that causes reactions there. And it says stop use if allergic reaction occurs. So that just makes me super nervous. So I am going to pass this along because it's just not worth it for me to try something. Like, I would rather give it to somebody outright like that. All right, next thing in here is from Murad. This is the Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. And I am kind of keeping this. My mom loves this cleanser. She actually has like the giant one with the pump. I don't even think they make that anymore, but she does. This is one of her favorite cleansers, so I will be passing this along to her because I know she will really enjoy it. And she's gone through a few of those already. That retails for $40. Yeah, that's why she doesn't get it very often, because it is expensive. All right, next up is the plastic that I just threw on the floor. This is a makeup drop hybrid, and it looks like it is a silicone side, and then it's a sponge, and this retails for $20. This was another one of those 7 that you could get that FabFitFun just kind of randomly throws in. I wonder if it depends on, you know what, I'm gonna pass this one along too, because it's not very soft, and I'm very picky about my makeup sponges, and I just don't like the feel of this. So I think somebody else who is more open to different types might like it better. Yeah, so you could have gotten, the other things you could have gotten in those 3 categories is a foot cream with menthol, a oil roll-on, which must be like a perfume oil, the Wander Beauty under eye mask, which I do love, but I still have several of those to go. And then there was a hand cream, a coconut verbena hand cream. That would have been amazing because I love coconut and verbena. That's like one of my favorite scents that they ever did at Bath & Body Works. All right, next is a silk satin pillow sleeve, but it's polyester. Oh, I guess, well, that is satin. That's the difference between satin and silk. And it is silver. I am also gonna pass this along because I have a king size pillow, and this is like, if you can see how it hangs out over the sides, that would drive me absolutely nuts. I'm OCD. I will admit that I'm OCD, and I just don't see myself actually reaching for and using this. So I think this would be a really nice gift. I actually have somebody who I think would like this, and her birthday is coming up, so I'm gonna pass this along to her because I think she'll like that one. All right, last thing in here is something I chose. Here it is, I'm so excited. This is Draper James, which is Reese Witherspoon's company, and she has such cute things. I did get a Draper James dress back in January when Dillard's does like their one day 50% off of clearance. I happened to be at the mall when that happened, just before they closed, and I tried on so many dresses because I love dresses, and I found a really cute one that was work appropriate. This is what it looks like. It has this cute little scarf on it with magnolias, I believe. And then inside it is lined. So it's a nice blue, and it does have a pocket, and it has a snap closure. I am actually really excited. I just bought a new purse from Kate Spade, but I think I'll save that for the fall, and I think I'll use this during the summer. This is not like a heavy duty bag that I would use like during the school year because I tend to stuff things in it, but this one I'm excited about. So that retails for $75. The other things you could have gotten were a Dr. Brandt eye cream. I probably already have that eye cream, a eyelash conditioner, a wireless charging pad. I don't think those work on the new iPhones. I don't know, maybe they do. Then there was a Pottery Barn diffuser, not interested in that. And then a tie-dye towel, which is kind of cute, but probably not something I would use. All right, is this box worth $50? I would say yes. This isn't my favorite box, but I do think the items that I actually got to choose made it worth $50. So if I was just getting this bag, the shampoo and conditioner, and the sunglasses, I think it's worth $50. Like, that would be definitely worth it. The other stuff, a lot of it's, like this I would use, but I know my mom likes it, so I'm gonna pass that along to her, just because I know she'll love it, which I don't mind that. So I think half of it is stuff that's really useful and that I would be really excited about. The other half, not so excited about. And part of that's just me. I don't do eyebrows. This sponge, I don't know. I'm not excited about the sponge. The mist I think would be good if you didn't have the allergies to peppermint and lavender that I do. And this, I think this is, I'm not excited about that. But half of it, and I think this half, the second half that I'm not gonna use, it's the less expensive side. So that makes me feel better. Like if my choices were bad, then I would be upset. But for now, I'm gonna keep it. We'll see what happens in the fall, see how it goes. Let me know what you got in your FabFitFun. Do you think it's worth it or do you not think it's worth it? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Let me know what you thought of what I got. And if you've seen other people get similar things like that were not picks. The first 3 things are always picks, but the rest of it is kind of random. Let me know down below. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Please do think about liking and subscribing if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.